How to disable app rating pop-ups on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom of the main settings page and tap on Apps. From the list of applications, find and select App Store as shown to access its specific settings. Here, you can manage various preferences for how the store operates on your device. Scroll down to find the option labeled In-App Ratings and Reviews. Tap the toggle switch next to In-App Ratings and Reviews to turn it off. By turning this off, you will no longer receive pop-up prompts from applications asking you to rate or review them on the App Store. Following these steps, you can easily disable app rating pop-ups on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.